Welcome. In front of me is a GARMIN Venu X1, and today I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the product. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. Typical Garmin packaging. So right in. Whoa, that's a display. Okay, so here's our watch. Wow, that is actually a very slim watch. Unfortunately, I'm not planning to connect it with the application, so I won't be able to actually see the display in its full glory. But anyway, below that we have a cable with still Garmin's garbage-ass proprietary cable that plugs in at the back of it, clips in. Sometimes it just clips in too much, and you just need to struggle to unclip it. So you can see, there we go. So that's how we plug it in. And then on the other side we get our instruction. Now, I do want to kind of point this out. This is a pretty substantial display right here. Now I'm gonna, I will need to plug it into my phone, as I don't have a Type-C port on my PC to actually boot it up, and you do need to plug it in to boot it up. Something like, oh, there we go. So it's now turning on. Can get rid of this now. Thing is turning on, come on. Can't take you this long. There we go. And you can actually see the display. Holy crap, that is actually a bright and nice looking display. Whew, wow. Jeez. That is something, to be honest. The sheer size of this is just dwarfing what I have, which, just to bring it up. Here's the 40mm Samsung Galaxy Watch, what is it, 6? Basically the newest one, apart from the one that is literally coming out like soon. So yeah, this is like, this just dwarfs it. Now let's take a quick look at the specifications and the price. Holy crap, that is one expensive watch. Wow. So this is about, what is it, $900. That would include tax, by the way. So for $900 you get this insane big display. So that's a 2-inch display. Jesus, 2 inches on here? And is that the bezel? Let's see. No, it's not. For some reason, Garmin decided to I'm trying to catch this, because it's not picking up the other way. You can see the red. The red bezel right here, I don't think this is the actual bezel. For some reason it's cutting out, and I think the bezel is actually like a couple millimeters higher. So it's giving you bezels for no reason, while the device actually has smaller ones, at least I think. Can't see them clearly, to be completely honest, but in all, this is already a insanely sized display. And let's see if I can quickly find specifications, which I can. So we have 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. We have support for iOS and Android. We have Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi on this device. 2-inch display with a resolution of 486 by 448 pixels. I have pulsometer. We have blood oxygenation, accelerometer, gyroscope. Then we have all the kind of things that you'd expect from Garmin in terms of fitness, running modes and all that stuff. And it counts steps, obviously tells you the time. What else we got? Anything worth mentioning? We have built-in GPS. You can pay with this watch but there's an asterisk. It uses Garmin Pay. So you can use this for payment, but only with their own application. So if you rely on something like Google Pay, or you just don't want to spread around your credit card like herpes, then you probably will want to stay away from this. The least people that have your credit card information, the better, I would say. So I kind of don't like the fact that this comes with their own payments system rather than just supporting one existing, but okay. We have waterproofing up to 5 atmospheres, which equates to about 50 meters depth, so that's really good. And 34 grams weight, dimensions of 41 by 46 millimeters by 7.9 millimeters. So yeah, this is actually a pretty nice looking watch, pretty nice feeling watch too. Another thing that I didn't mention is it's using a standard straps right here. These are, what is it, 20, I think 2 millimeter straps. The ones that I have right here are 20, so this is just a little bit wider. And the strap that comes with the device by default has these quick releases, so again, that's pretty nice. Oh, it's actually holding pretty well in there. Oh, there we go. As you can see, we have standard straps right here. And can I put it back in easily without breaking my fingernails? Let's see. Ah, there we go. So yeah, there we go. That's the Garmin watch. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.